So can you introduce something about yourself?
I am from Indonesia. Now I'm living in Fukuoka.
Okay.
Setting up my business in Fukuoka.
Okay,
and
okay.
I really want to go to India for like so long.
What is your favorite food?
Curry.
Chicken curry?
No, not only chicken.
Only curry?
Not only chicken, but I like different styles of curry.
Okay. Curry.
But yes, curry. I can eat curry every day. Different curry. Indonesian curry, Indian curry, Japanese curry, Sri Lankan curry,
Oh my
whatever
God.
curry. I love curry.
So guys, we have entered the trade fair. This is the gate number 10. This is the on the map of trade fair. बस अभी हम जा रहे हैं और मेरे साथ एक खास मेहमान है, अभी आपके साथ शेयर करूँगा बहुत जल्द. Tanya, can we go? So we have Tanya. She directly came from Japan and she belongs to Indonesia. Hi Tanya. So this is my audience on YouTube. I have a vlogging channel.
Okay. Are you doing live right now? No.
Yeah, daily vlogging. Mostly travel vlogging.
Okay.
So can you introduce something about yourself?
I am from Indonesia. Now I'm living in Fukuoka.
Okay.
Setting up my business in Fukuoka.
Okay.
I really want to go to India for like so long. And finally I'm here.
Okay. And what about your business?
We are connecting Indonesians creative companies and Japanese creative companies and vice versa. And
Creative companies.
Yes. For example,
So that means
YouTuber, vlogger, illustrators. My husband is an NFT artist.
Okay.
That's type. But sometimes we also deal with other like fields.
So we have Bihar, Kerala, Delhi, Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh in this section. You can see the special food, special variety of different what these states have. So they will show everything in this stall. So let's go. Our special guest, especially from Japan.
Or Indonesia.
Indonesia, oh sorry.
Both.
Rubber means there's no allergetic and nothing else. These all are herbal, organic basically. This is the suits. Do you want to shop suit? Ladies, Indian suits.
I cannot bring back any because I
This is a business class. Still, there is a lot of rush over there.
Yeah.
You can see the trains over there. This is the Tata. Tata is our biggest group in India.
The biggest in India. So they have many things, right? Not only steel, right? They also have
JSL. Jindal
factory.
is also a big company.
Tata has factory near my hometown.
Where?
Yeah, in near Surabaya.
Tata.
Yeah, Tata Steel. Yes.
टाटा की फैक्ट्री आपने वाह यार. This is Jindal Panther.
Jindal is also steel.
भाई टाटा की फैक्ट्री है इंडोनेशिया में यार. तानिया just confirmed me.
Yes, everywhere.
So what they are making over there?
I think they're making
Truck?
steel. No.
Steel?
No, not the car, just the steel commodity.
Do you want to eat?
And what's that? Is that the tea?
This is from Kesar tea. Smell of this
ये कावा या मतलब कुछ अलग है?
खावा जो होता है कश्मीर का
हाँ, कश्मीर का होता है.
कश्मीर का.
नहीं इसमें उसमें कुछ डिफरेंस होगा?
हाँ जी डिफरेंट बहुत है सर. कश्मीर में क्या है वो मसाला भी डालते हैं कश्मीरी लोग. ये कश्मीर लोग कल्चर.
आप अफगानिस्तान से?
हाँ जी.
नाइस हिंदी हाँ. I love अफगानिस्तान यार सीरियसली.
इंडिया इज माय सेकंड होम सर.
या
क्योंकि हम काफ़ी टाइम इंडिया में रहते हैं सर. आपका YouTube चैनल है?
या आई हैव अ YouTube
वीडियो
चैनल.
बना रहे हो?
या
हेलो गाइस.
यू कैन जस्ट मतलब अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा आपका नाम क्या है, कहाँ से?
मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद मेहदी सर.
Okay.
अफगानिस्तान से हूँ बट इंडिया में रहता हूँ 8-9 साल से. और काबुली मेवा जो है अपना कंपनी है सर. किसी को भी कुछ भी ज़रूरत होगा सर इस कॉन्टैक्ट
आप
नंबर
दे सकते हो.
हाँ जी. ये देखिए दोस्तों काबुली मेवा इसमें नाम एड्रेस
दिल्ली में है ना इसका
दिल्ली
branch?
में ब्रांच है और चंडीगढ़ में 2 ब्रांच है हमारा सर। LNT मॉल के अंदर फूड कोर्ट और एक बेसमेंट
Okay,
बड़ा
okay.
बाजार के
हाँ,
सामने।
हाँ।
जिनको कुछ भी ज़रूरत होगा वहाँ से चंडीगढ़ में परचेस कर सकते हैं और ऑल ओवर
ये जो
इंडिया।
जंगपुरा में यहाँ पे क्या है, परचेस कर सकते हैं?
ऑफ कोर्स सर, ऑफ कोर्स।
सो आप कहाँ बैठते हो, मतलब आप इंडिया में रहते हो?
हाँ जी, ऑफिस में बैठता हूँ सर।
ठीक है,
ये आसिफ नूरी बड़ा भाई है।
ठीक है।
उनका नंबर है और नीचे वाला जो है ऑफिस का नंबर है, वेबसाइट है। जिनको कुछ भी ज़रूरत होगा ऑल ओवर इंडिया कोरियर।
आई विल पोस्ट इन माई यूट्यूब चैनल।
ऑफ कोर्स मेरा भी यूट्यूब चैनल है सर।
ओके ओके, नो इशू। यू कैन जस्ट गिव मी अ कार्ड।
ऑफ कोर्स सर, ये लीजिए।
थैंक यू सो मच।
वेलकम सर।
शैल वी गो?
Yeah, let's go.
नाइस टू मीट यू।
थैंक यू, नाइस टू मीट यू। So this is EV station. So India is promoting electric vehicle because pollution is global due to global warming and due to heavy pollution in all
Yeah,
over
yeah.
the India as well and other countries as well. So
Yeah, and I heard like now because the air.
so Tata is the biggest company put their EV stations for car, for two-wheelers,
yeah.
3, 4-wheelers. And this is our NTPC. NTPC is a government, semi-government company. And big-
Indonesia also have like
Okay, you have-
national trade, yeah, promotion
You-
center. It's related to my job. So actually, I want to have holiday, and then you take me to this exhibition. It feels like I'm working.
Okay, okay.
No, but it's fun because I mean now it's really interesting to see how it goes here.
e-commerce applications.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Curry.
Chicken curry.
No, not only chicken.
Only curry.
Not only chicken, but I like different styles of curry.
Okay. Curry.
But yes, curry. I can eat curry every day. Different curry. Indonesian curry, Indian curry, Japanese curry, Sri Lankan curry,
Oh my
whatever
God.
curry. I love curry.
Nice. You can see very huge place this is,
Yeah,
So this is the food court area. So we just redeveloped this area before G20.
oh, before
So
how?
we did G20 in this. This is the Bharat Mandapam. Outer area is the Bharat Mandapam, and inner area this is the for trade fair, international trade fair. Can you give me your ticket, entry ticket?
Sure.
I just show you with my audience.
Yeah.
They can't believe we are in trade fair.
We are in a
So guys, this is the business class ticket, and we took this, and we are currently walking around in trade fair.
And we're going to the food court.
We're going to the food court right now. I hope guys you like this video. Do share, like and subscribe please. So guys, we are heading towards the food court. Tanya, you can just select your favorite
No,
food.
you eat, please select your food, and then I will follow you because
Sure,
I don't
sure.
know.
Nee, what is your favorite food?
Curry.
Curry.
No, but I am too full maybe for curry.
No,
So something.
so we
like
can take
snacks.
we can take snacks only. Huh?
Oh, but you please eat something.
Yeah, just go around. Do you like momos?
Yes, I like momos. Yeah. I like
These
that.
are the momos.
Okay,
These are the wow momos.
आपने ध्यान दिया
Put this.
बोलो
Thank you. भैया ये लो
सर उधर ही दे दो ना।
यार वो कह रहा है
कौन कर रहा है?
कूपन वाला
ऊपर नहीं, वो स्टॉल है ना, आप स्टॉल पे चले जाओ।
कहाँ है, मेरे को तो दिख नहीं रहा। मोमोज का ही है।
हाँ, मोमोज का ये सर, पाव मोमोज सामने फूड ये लिखा हुआ है,
कहाँ पे?
फूड कोर्ट लिखा हुआ है।
हाँ।
उससे आगे देखो कोने पे।
अच्छा ठीक है, सब दिख गया। आ जाओ।
So
Come.
you're paying.
He's taking his lunch. He's busy right now.
Oh, sorry. I don't know.
ये नहीं सोचते भाई अपना।
हाँ नहीं सही बात है. Do you also want some tea?
Yeah, I want
Coffee?
tea,
Coffee.
whichever, whatever interesting. I tried.
So-
I had so many kulats already. I don't want kulat. I want something else. The coffee kulat,
Ice
Thai
cream?
kulat. What do you like?
Ice cream. So वेज और नॉन वेज दोनों ले लिए हमने मोमोज. लेट्स सी कैसे होते हैं. वाओ मोमोज से लिए. खाना खाने का मेरा मन नहीं है और तानिया ने ऑलरेडी लंच किया हुआ है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ईट मोमोज.
Oh, there they have another one. Okay.
सॉरी.
No, they have brown momo there.
या
Right, because
we don't use any chopstick, anything. Just eat by our end.
Yeah, but with the curry you have the bread too. But here it's hot.
Another spoon. Took some time. It's very hot.
Yeah.
We'll eat after 5 minutes. So these are the chicken, I guess, and
Can we
these
get
are
more
the.
of this?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, then we can use this. I
Just
can.
give. So we
this
are
one is the
taking chicken
vegetarian.
momos.
Oh, but it's not hot actually.
This is veg or non-veg?
This one is
Take.
chicken. I like the sauce actually. The sauce is good. This is like in Japan we have gyoza.
Which one is better, veg or non-veg?
I like both.
Both.
Both are
Different style, huh?
good. What I like the most is this one. I like this. This is good. It's
Momos,
spicy.
this is momo sauce.
Yeah, the momo sauce is good. I ate momos before.
In local market.
No, it was when I was in Germany. For their generation, like the generation before, I think.
Do you know Chinese language?
Yeah, I learned Chinese, but I cannot speak it.
Very
when
difficult
people
language.
When people speak, I kind of understand. Because
Chinese
I
is,
learned
I think it's harder than Japanese, right?
I think no, the grammar is easier than Japanese, but since you only use kanji, then the character, and then but I think like rather than the kanji, the most difficult part is the tone. There
Hiragana.
are 4 tones. No,
Katakana.
in Chinese, no. In Chinese, we have 4 tones. So let's say ma, 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 ma. And like they have the 4 different tones, and all, even though they are the same, just because the tone is different, they mean different. So for example, you buy and sell, it's my, and mine. So which one is which I forgot, but yeah, it's the same. Same word, only different intonation. It becomes buy or sell.
Got it.
So it's really difficult. I don't like it, and there's no chance for me to use it.
Have you learned about Hindi language?
No.
Have you
tell
tried?
me. Yes. No. Tell me. So how is it like the Hindi characters first? The Hindi characters. How many characters do you have?
So I think in ABCD, A, B,
So
C,
how
D.
do you spell it? How do you the characters?
So like I just want to say, Tanya, Tanya is coming from Japan, right? So in Hindi we can say Tanya Japan se आई है.
And how do you write it? Write the.
Can I write? Do you have pen? Do you have paper?
No, I don't. But you can use your phone.
I have pen.
Okay. Here, use this.
I have paper, I think. So this is.
I hate.
So this is the translation. You can take this.
Yeah. No, I'll take pictures.
Yeah, you can take pictures.
No, because I will become. Oh, by the way, this is souvenir from Dubai. Yeah, maybe.
So you bought this from Delhi Hut.
Yes.
I can't take this.
No.
You're my guest.
No, I cannot because I cannot bring this home. I don't have space in my luggage. Really, seriously.
So why you bought this?
For your family, because I thought we were going to your house.
Okay, no issue.
So for
You-
your wife.
You
For everyone.
can come to my sister wedding in Feb, right?
Maybe.
Please plan.
I'm trying.
Not
to come.
maybe.
I'm trying to come.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much for this lovely.
Sorry, I could not bring things.
What is his name?
Ferdi.
Sorry?
Ferdi.
Ferdi.
Yes. Ferdi. This is. So this is
Oh.
Indonesian traditional.
He looks like a pop singer.
So this is my husband.
Nice. This is you.
Yes, this is me.
Your hairstyle is very different in this picture.
I have bangs.
Nice. And this is the current picture, or
Yes, it was taken 2-3 months ago. It was taken in August.
you look nice. And this is what is this? This is a traditional dress for
Yes, Indonesian.
This looks like a
Indonesian.
Indian dress. Looks like.
Indonesian traditional dress. It's called
Yes.
kebaya.
Kabaya.
Yeah, and the pattern is batik. But I actually when I went to the National Modern Art Gallery, there's this exhibitions, and I think some of Indonesian patterns are also highly influenced by Indian patterns.
Yes, that's why I just saw this. We called this a kurti in India. This outfit with what you are wearing in this picture, we call this a Indian kurti.
Oh, this is kabaya.
Kabaya, okay.
But kurti is long, right?
No, we have a different, long and short, both are available as per the, as per the requirement. This is the difference.
That's long.
Karnataka, South Indian state. Right over there. Doing some stunts over there. Stunts over there, stunts. Very difficult.
Yeah.
तो भाई टेट फेयर हम लोगों ने घूम लिया है और अभी हम जा रहे हैं घर पे.
It's blessing.
Blessings.
Asreva. Mane Kalia.